This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites because many store failures come from simple mismatches. First, make sure Windows 8. 1 has critical updates and the system clock exactly matches internet time. Once done, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc and dism to repair corrupted files. These tools fix underlying OS components that the store depends on. Sign into the correct Microsoft account and use a wired network if possible. That reduces transient connectivity errors during the process. Next, focus on services and the store package itself because these are common failure points. Stop and restart Windows Update, Bits, and the AppX deployment services to reinitialize their state. This resolves lock and dependency problems. Then re-register the store by running PowerShell with the Add Apps package command to reinstall the store app manifest. Once that completes, clear the store cache with WS reset. exe and inspect the package folders under %localappdata% for corrupt data that might Finally, isolate profile issues and repair system files if needed. Create a new local administrator account and test launching the store there. If it opens, your original profile is corrupted and you can migrate data. If nothing changes, perform an in-place repair install from Windows 8. 1 media to replace system components without losing files. If things still fail, check the Event Viewer application logs for error codes, note them, and use those codes to target a specific fix or search for the exact failed component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.